Let's try to create a video quickly, and this video I want us to create, I want to use like all the major tools just to spice up the video and make it more interesting for us to watch. So let's just dive right into it. I already imported the videos to my timeline, and what I'm going to do is to split the videos first. So I'm going to split them so that I can give it that effect that I want. So yes, so I'm just going to split this one. Okay, there's no need to split this one. Okay, so I'm going to add the transition, the beginning transition to this, to this vertical, and I'm going to add this transition for this to reverse. Yep. Then for this I want to add zoom, and for this zoom, this particular part, I want to duplicate it so that I can reverse it. So I'm going to click on it, duplicate it, so I have two now, and then I'm going to, so this is the first one, I'm going to reverse the second one. I'm just going to reverse the second one. I'm just going to increase the speed just a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to increase the speed a little bit. I'm going to increase this one too. Yep. Then this one, I'm going to reduce the speed. Okay. Then I'm going to, okay, it's too slow. Then this one, I'm going to increase the speed because it's like reverse. So I'm just going to increase the speed just a little bit. All right. Okay, so we're done with this particular aspect. So we want to add a PIP. I've downloaded a rectangle here. It's here. So I'm just going to, I want to add a timeline key. I want to add a timeline searching, I don't know how to explain it, but a timeline like a duration timeline kind of thing. I'm going to enlarge this, so I want you to just see what I'm doing. It's just like a timeline. I'm just going to put it here. I'll put it here. I'm going to take it to the beginning, and I'm going to I'm going to add the keyframe here, take it to the end, drag this to the end, and that's it. Then for the text, I'm just going to add something simple. I'm going to use this. Okay, let's use this and edit it. Looking good is good business. All right, so I'm just going to take it to the left, change the color to blue. Yeah, I like this one. Or should we use it? Let's make it blue. This one looks like eyes kind of blue, eyes blue or something, I don't know. Then I'll add motion. I'll let it scale in, or no, slide in, right, and out. I want it to slide down. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, I have an idea. Okay, no, let's just leave it. Let's just leave it. So now we've added our text, we've added PIP, transition, and the rest. So now we want to add music. What type of music? So there's something I actually forgot to mention. There's actually music at the top here. It comes with like background sound that you can just choose from, so you don't necessarily have to download them through a link, or you have to download them here. So you play them if you like them. Okay, now they can't play because I've not downloaded them, so I'm just going to download them real quick so that we can play them and use them for our video. So this one has downloaded. I'm just going to play it. This is how it sounds. We don't want that. No, it's too slow. No. Let's download this again too. So just trying to look for the one that we want to the one that we like. So let's use this. I like this. Do you like it? I actually like it. Let's take another one, and so we can have options to choose from. Okay, I think this is it. So I'm going to be saying I'm going to be recording something, so I'm just going to reduce the volume a little bit, 9, and then let's make it 10. It should be between 6 and 10 there, about just over 4 and 10 depending on how loud your voice is. So it's there, the sound is there, it's there to the end. I'm going to come over here and add another. I want to record something now, so let's. Looking good is good business. Captivate people's heart, mind, and soul with the way you look and carry yourself. You are black, and black is gold. You are magic. Flaunt it. Okay, I know that was not perfect, but come on, we're just trying to do something here, and there was nothing coming to my mind per se, so I just had to come up with that. So let's just work with it. I'm going to increase the volume to, it's already in 100, and I'm just going to increase the sound because it's not loud enough, and I want it to fade out here. I don't want it to fade in fact, I want to split this a little bit. I want the sound, I don't want it to start from that very dry sound. So what else have we not added? We added sound, we have added text. What else? Okay, so let's play it and see how it looks.
Looking good is good business. Captivate people's heart, mind, and soul with the way you look and carry yourself. You are black, and black is gold. You are magic. Flaunt it.
Oh, okay. I know that was not perfect, but I know it was nice, don't you think? I mean, like, I just came up with it right now. I didn't even have any preparation or anything. I just wanted to do something that we can use all the tools. So do you see how the transition? Yeah.
Captivate people's heart, mind, and soul with the way you look and carry yourself. You are black, and black is gold. You are magic. Flaunt it.
Okay, so that was nice. So if this is the kind of video that we want to do and want to change the cover, let's say the part where she was putting on her glasses, so let's just look for it, and I like this, so we can use this as a cover, right? So when we save it, you see how cool it's looking. Then we want to export our video. This is how to export the final video. Go to export. Like I already said earlier, you don't need to play with any of these things. Please don't play with any of these things except so now, as you can see, the resolution is good, FPS is good. Just try not to play with anything here, just leave it the way it is, and then you save your video, and then it tells you exporting video. Please do not lock your screen or leave the app. If you lock your screen or leave the app, you're going to distract the video from downloading the way it should. So just be patient. It will take a while depending on how long your video is, but just give it time. It's going to export to your device. So once it has exported, you can choose to rename the file. Let's say here we say looking good is let's say priceless. I know we say looking good is good business, but let's just say looking good is priceless. Then we just click on save to album. You want it to save to your phone. Why is the cover not showing? You can choose to add another cover though. It's supposed to show, but I just want to make sure that it shows. Yep. So I just added another cover just in case, and I'm going to save to my album.